Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today's video is going to feature 12 hot bob haircut ideas that you can try in 2023. Loving this beautiful bob with the bangs, followed by this simple and chic jaw length cut. And then we have another stunning bob haircut. This one is by the stylist Be Seen. He does absolutely stunning work. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these bob haircut ideas, please be sure to like today's video and of course hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. And without further ado, here are some of the best top bob haircut styles that you can wear in 2023.